we need to understand the 5 business corporations. So the first one would be an LLC, limited liability. Let's say for a doctor might be, might operate on somebody and they say, well, you screwed up. I'm going to sue you. He says, well, you could sue me, but you're not getting nothing from me because I'm a limited liability corporation or limited partnership. The next one is a S Corp. Now the S Corp is, guy comes up to you and says, hey man, you know what? I want to give you $100,000 or $1 million, invest in your company. You say, hey, let's go. Let's break bread. He says, but you know what? I don't want to be a part of your company because I don't want to pay capital gains tax. So that's an S Corp. The next thing would be a C Corp. Now, a C Corp is the mama of corps, right? It can do everything. It's a license to print money, my friend used to say. Next thing we have is the nonprofit. If you want to give away $1 million and they take 37, almost 40%, that's $400,000 of your money gone. A business person who understands the rules, they say, I'll open a nonprofit, and then this way I can help the society and still hold on to 85% of this, right? Now let's look at the other nonprofit, which is called a foundation. That's number 5. The foundation can actually act like a bank. They would say, Sesame Street was brought to you by such and such foundation. If you ever notice, the foundations are the things that give money to nonprofits. So which one would you want to be?